Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Amercian National Insurance step by step clearly. To register for American National Insurance, begin by visiting the official website. Look for the Get a Quote option on the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the registration page. Fill out your personal information in the required fields. This typically includes your name, address, email, and phone number. Next, provide any relevant information regarding your insurance needs. This could include details about the type of policy you are interested in, such as life, health, or auto insurance. Once you've entered all information, review it for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, locate the Submit button and click it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your registration was successful. If prompted, check your email for a verification link from American National Insurance. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log back into your account using the credentials you created. Explore the options available to you, and select the policy that fits your needs. Complete any additional forms required for the policy you chose. After submitting any necessary documentation, you will receive further instructions on finalizing. Stay tuned for updates regarding your application status through your email. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support for assistance. Your registration process is now complete, and you are one step closer to your American National Insurance coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.